Hello and welcome to Vantage Technology webinar. Today our topic is Brain of Agentforce, the Atlas Reasoning Engine. So let's start. Before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajneesh Kumar. I am the CTO of Vantage Technology. I am MuleSoft Ambassador as well as AI Advocate and Influencer Award winner. So let's jump on this topic. Atlas Reasoning Engine is. So, what is a Atlas Reasoning Engine? Is the all new Atlas Reasoning Engine is the brain behind Agentforce. It is built on proprietary system designed to simulate how human think and plan is. So, it's very much how human work. That's how Atlas Reasoning is work behind the scene for Agentforce is. So, here is a higher level of architect of how the Atlas Reasoning Engine is. Uh, if you notice, is data cloud from data cloud retriever retrieve the information. It is going to the Atlas reasoning engine. From there it is going to the plan, evaluate, and refinement, although those action happen. And once it is uh, satisfied with the requirement, it is going to the action. From action it is going to the different channel like Slack channel or marketing cloud, anywhere, customer 360 app. And then once it is done, it is going to the outcome to the Salesforce data cloud is. So basically is Atlas reasoning engine is the brain of Agentforce and AI core powering to the Salesforce Agentforce platform. It is designed to enable autonomous agent to think and act more like a human by combining reasoning, planning, and memory. So Atlas Reasoning Engine perform four key functions. First is interpretation. What is interpretation? Is basically to understand a user intent from natural language, like a plain English, plain sentence, and then determine what the agent need to do is. That is interpretation. Suppose that I'm giving a one example is how help me to resolve any billing issues. So here is user looking for help about the billing information. Based on that one, your Atlas reasoning engine interpreting those your information, and then those interpretation happen, and then going to the correct topic or correct action and getting those information from those channel or those topic is. Second key function is memory and context awareness. What is a context and memory awareness? Is it assess and uses historical customer data. Basically is it is a real time context, historical prior interaction, and real time your Salesforce data cloud is those information come directly to Salesforce data cloud. And basically is it is also taking what session you're looking for. Suppose that you are working on the sales side, any question is asking or billing information, so like previous question, help me resolve a billing issue. So your um, Atlas reasoning engine know like you are in that context. So next question whatever you will ask, they know like it is related with the billing information or this particular user information. That's how it keep your information and then give the relevant information to your user is. Third one is third key function is planning. Basically Atlas break down complex request into the multi-step plan. For example, so suppose that I'm asking a question, give me um, any product information and warranty information. So now here i'm I'm looking for the two information. One is product, particular product information, and what is the warranty for that product. That how it is looking for. That's your Atlas reasoning engine. Atlas is defining, and then execution is happening based on the different sequence. First it give the product information, and then after that your that product warranty information is. So that's planning is happening behind the scene is. And then fourth key function is action and execution. If select the appropriate tool and API, and then like suppose that any action, so, add warranty information you are going with. So it is calling to the API, from the API getting that relevant information and providing that information to the user. That is it is select, it is action execution happen. This everything, this all information is happening autonomously, without any human intervention. So that's how your Atlas work for the agent forces. Now, what is the key architect of the your Atlas reasoning engine is? So as soon as user input over here, so it is going to the Atlas reasoning engine. From there, the couple of component within Atlas reasoning engine is: first is planner. What is a planner? Is break down user intent into the sequence of executable step. Second is memory retriever. What is a memory retriever? Is basically is pull relevant context from the Salesforce data cloud or CRM system. Is that is which context you're talking? That's where the memory retriever come in picture. And then third one is tool selector. Tool selector choose which tool or action or API the agent need to for the particular task. Suppose that warranty information, they know product and then warranty both going together. So one API getting the information from the product, another API going to the product warranty, whatever the product is coming from the first query. That's how tool selector come in picture. And then evaluator basically assess whether the agent's plan is completely safe and accurate. Is that's where evaluator happen. And as soon as that is done, then reasoning loop in come picture. The basically keep the agent iteratively, intelligently, uh, keep in loop if your first attempt is failed. Suppose that the what information you're looking for not getting a relevant information, then again going back to the Atlas reasoning engine and going with all this information, and then through the reasoning loop and getting information from there is ex- execution interface. What is connect to the XLM? It means extra large action model, calling to the different API call, and everything is happening over here. And then sales and feedback integrator providing the feedback to the Salesforce data cloud. There's this is all key architect for the Atlas reasoning engine is. This is a bigger picture of the how where the Atlas reasoning engine work for the AI agent stack. Suppose that you are interacting with the AI agent. Here interaction layer come in picture where the, like suppose that you're chatting or talking with the any AI agent or slacking, there the interaction layer come in picture. That information directly sent to the Atlas reasoning engine, going to the four different key characteristic: planner, memory retriever, tool selector, and evaluator. And then once this execution done, then a business task is getting done for the action model, and then that information going to the Salesforce data cloud where the memory context record is residing over here is. So user input, intent detection, planning phase, memory retrieval, tool selection, execution, evaluation, these are the things that different happen within this whole flow is. So I'm just giving the one example, taking one example. Suppose that I'm asking any question to the Atlas reasoning engine is, I want to get an eye exam. This is I'm prompting to the Atlas reasoning engine is, I want to get an eye exam near my office this Friday at noon and return back to work in a couple of hours. What are my options? This is I'm prompting to the Atlas reasoning engine. Let's see how I'm getting what information I'm getting from the Atlas reasoning. As soon as I'm asking this question, if you notice is Atlas reasoning is uh, immediately asking more context over here is because if you notice is at this question, couple of context is missing. First is what is your geolocation, where you are going from where to where, what exact time or date you're looking for. Couple of information is missing over here. So that's why immediately Atlas reasoning is prompt is, um, I need to know location of your office. Could you please provide me the city and or area where your office is located? So basically, your Atlas reasoning is looking for the geolocation is, and that's how it works. So as soon as you're providing this information, what is your geolocation over here, then immediately Atlas reasoning engine give me this information. What is the nearest my eye exam center is. uh, it give provided me two different option where I can go and how long it will take time and how close it is. It is 4.58 mile and 11.87 mile where I can go and then I can return back to the offices. So basically is looking for your feedback and then response, and based on that one again it is context aware and then keeping in a memory and then getting a response back from Atlas reasoning engine. giving your more relevant information to you. So let's jump how Atlas agentic reasoning engine is work behind the scene. Is, if you notice, is user is asking user query, but simple rag doesn't work over here because it's looking for the more contextual, more information. It's not only rag over here. Semantic search is not here, is not plain search. It's include the all kind of tool is over here. So if you look for, I include the couple of tool over here, then it more makes sense to that user queries. Here I use a tool is map and geolocation provider, what provider you are, like you are any medical provider you're looking for, or any LLM specific you're looking for. If you're looking for the image or video about that location, a structure on a structured data we are looking for. So this all information is once I provided that this all information to the data, then your Atlas reasoning engine is makes sense for Atlas reasoning engine. Is you are providing the more input to the Atlas reasoning engine. Is as soon as is provided this information action and tool, then how it is deciding, it is deciding to the planner. Is so what planner do the Atlas reasoning engine is basically is it look into the intent, reasoning and execution, how I can execute. But here is again one thing missing information is context is what is context is. So that's why is context refinement is happening over here. As soon as I provide is which context you're talking about, uh, whether it is in California, whether it is Houston, or whether it is Atlanta, or whether in New York, all you have to provide that this all context refinement is happening over here as a planner. And as soon as this context refinement happen, then the response is we get the response from there, and then this response going to the quality evaluator. What quality evaluators do over here is basically is uh, it evaluate is whether this information is relevant to the user or not. So if it's a query satisfied user information, then it is this information going to the your user, and then user will be happy. If somehow this query is not yet satisfied, then again going back to the planner phase, and then planner again going to the same context refinement, and then data based on the all information, again going back to the quality evaluator. So this is going to the agentic loop where all information is flowing. As soon as get the right response, it going to the user is. But somehow one of the trigger point, your information not satisfied, then it will go to the escalation path where the human in loop come in picture, where the real human or real supervisor for the AI agent come in picture, and then help out your user. There the agentic reasoning engine work is overall is. And then once this work is, everything is based on the your uh, trust layer. Is what is a trust layer is basically is it is ensure the privacy compliance and the safe AI behavior. There it is taking care that this layer is where you can take care your any of your compliances or privacy of the your user and then data. So this is what bigger picture of your Atlas agentic architect is, and then how different component work together and getting a feedback with a different and action tool, and then providing the response to the user is. So in overall picture, how agent force work is, first you start with a conversation, ask your agent what you're looking for. I'm agent force, your trusted AI agent. What is a recommended product based on the my order history? That you ask a question, then based on that it is going to the plan phase where it is going to order management system. There you are getting agent pick the right topic and follow the instruction. As soon as getting a right topic, it is going to the execution phase where looking for the different topic which and where I can pull that relevant information for the user is lookup order, return order, exchange everything. And then this other tool is helping to get those information. As soon as get those information. Then agent force generate the response and then send you to that response to the user. That's how the agent force work. And then everything is behind the scene is Atlas reasoning engine is. And then everything is protected by the guardrail, which is called the Einstein trust layer is. So basically is agents understand natural language query, where it is agent understanding natural query based on the predefined topic and action. It is behalf of your AI agent. It is first take the action over here, and then giving the response to your user. That's and then uh, also, while prompting, allow your enterprise to harness the power of LLM, infusing agent with the generative capability and making agent more intelligent. This is how it help you do. So this is what is agent force and agent Atlas reasoning engine is. If any more question, feel free to reach out to us. Our email is info@vandish.com, or contact me on phone, or connect me our company LinkedIn page is at rate of vandish.technology. uh, Thanks for joining. Thank you very much.